So for those of you that are wondering what these spacers look like, these are the spacers right here. These are 20mm spacers from Perrin with the ARP extended studs, and I have a set of 4. And I also picked up some new lug nuts because with the extended wheel studs here, you're going to need an open-ended lug nut. They're pretty long and they're going to poke through. So let's go ahead and install this.
Installing these Perrin 20mm spacers is so easy. It's as easy as taking the wheel off, putting the spacer on, then torquing the wheel and spacer down to the correct spec. You're going to see me in this video reuse my OEM lug nuts on the spacer, which is incorrect. Please don't do that, as you want an open-ended conical style lug nut to secure the spacer down. I just did this for a test fitment on the video. Later, when the right lug nuts did show up to my house, I fixed this off camera, just in case you're wondering if you can reuse your OEM lug nuts.
And here is the final product on the 17 STI with the new 20mm spacers from Perrin with the extended studs. Let's take a quick look around the car just to show you guys from different angles. The rear and the front, I think it looks fantastic. So what we essentially did to the STI when adding those spacers, the OEM offset for the STI wheels are plus 55mm. With those 20mm spacers we added, we essentially pushed both of the wheels out 20mm. So now we're sitting at plus 35 offset on both the front and rear sides. And the fitment is now perfect. The wheels sit right on the edge of the fenders and there's barely any poke. So if you want the best fitment with your stock wheels, get these 20mm spacers. And that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed. We're out here enjoying the nice weather today. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video because I got something really special for you guys you won't wanna miss out. And I'll catch you in the next one.